those who saw the video, they already know that who is Vitruvius and what is his relevance in the medieval aesthetics. Though he comes from the 1st century BC, he was very significant. His ideas were very influential in the medieval period and also during the Renaissance. So I am straight away coming to the topic that I want to share with you. So Vitruvius believed that an architect should focus on three things when he is making a design for a building. So there are three things an architect should be careful of when he is working on a building design. They are formitas, utilitas and venustas. Formitas, utilitas and venustas. So it must be firm, it must be strong. Any building that you are an architect when he is making a building, making an architecture, it must be strong enough, and it must be functional. Utilitas means it is about the functionality. It must be very functional. Even if it is so beautiful and if it is very strong, but in case if it is not useful for the function which we intended. Okay. If you look at if you Google for some bad architecture, you may find something like that. It will be very strong and beautiful, but you will not be able to open the door because there is a pillar or something that is coming in front of it. So the function is affected. So it must be firm and strong. It must be functional. The utility aspect has to be taken into consideration. And the third one is venustas. Venus means beauty. Venus is the goddess of beauty. So it's about beauty. It must be beautiful. It must be functional. It must be strong. So it has to be all these components has to be in an architecture proportionately. If one aspect is very much affirmed and if the other aspects are ignored, that will not be a beautiful architecture. Means that will not be a good architecture. You have this image in your mind. Okay. Venustas, formitas and utilitas. Venustas refers to aesthetic beauty or experimental enjoyment of artistry. And firmitas, which means structural integrity, durability and the quality of the construction. And the third, utilitas, it's about the function. Functional adequacy, usefulness and satisfies the programmatic requirements. Why a building is made. If it is a classroom, how it has to be made. If it is a kitchen, how it should be made. If it's a bedroom, how it should be. You understand? So each different rooms have different kinds of functions. So it must serve the function. Okay, so utility, strength and beauty. These are the three principles which are required when an architect is working on a building.